Look, so come out here before I even do colors. First of all, I want to cry because she's in my Studio Park jacket, which is on clearance at QVC.com. If you are not ready to ring in the new year, this is what fashion is all about. We love you. Happy New Year.
I love this.
You look amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm just like starstruck. But what a shoe. And look how cute. Look at the way you put your outfit together. It's called the Teagan. She is all done in man-made materials, so easy to wear anywhere. $99, shipping for free. It's the first day it's ever actually been presented, and it already has a 5-star review at QVC.com, which is amazing. And the two colors are berry red, which I have on, and kind of a must-have for 2025, the camel brown, which is that beautiful kind of blown up animal print.
Animal print, yes. And just real quickly, the berry is actually leather.
Oh, okay.
So, yes,
great.
Leather. And this is the fabric, the actual camel.
Perfect.
Yes, and of course, leave it up to Franco Sarto to give you Slingback Flats. And these are just so fun overall. They have beautiful geometric inspiration from the square toe to the overlapping detail in the toe box. And then if you look at the top line, Jane, look at how the little details, the cutout details on the sides just helps you elongate your look overall. And the way the slingback is actually constructed and designed, there's a cutout here. So it just gives you a little bit more of a play. It gives you a little bit much more of a refreshed take on a slingback. And of course, there's that hidden goring on the side to make it easy to walk around with, and the beautiful signature Informa technology that Franco Sarto is known for, which is 7 millimeters of padding from heel to toe.
Wow.
So you know you're completely supported.
I mean, when we talk about a fitness, a comfort shoe, we say 4 to 5 millimeters of memory foam in like a comfort shoe that would say to the world, I'm in a comfort shoe. This, which is telling the world, I love great fashion, inspired by a great Italian designer who is the one and only Franco Sarto, 7 millimeters. But camel brown, which is the animal print, is far more limited. That's going to be the one in the fabric. And the berry red, which is really like a deep wine. Oh my gosh, with your tights and your outfit, this is like everything.
I had to have fun, and Jane, and it's like I was looking for an opportunity to wear your blazer, and then I saw the animal print, and I was like, okay, this is it. This is a moment, and it's New Year's Eve, so
we gotta do it.
But look how easy it is to wear this, and what's great about these slingbacks is that it's timeless. You're looking at something that you can put away in your closet and it'll still look great.
And look, you can moonwalk in it and tell everybody we got 13 minutes to go. And then, you know what, Jeanette, I have to say, slingbacks, just because of the way my foot is made, it's never been something that I usually gravitate to. But you had a slingback earlier in the year that came in a brown tweed. You know which one I'm talking about, with the pointy toe. And I was like, okay, well, I know we have 30. Okay, Jackie's loving this. I've never seen her moonwalk this much in one presentation. Either that or she's got us all ready with champagne in 12 minutes. No, it's a cookie. She said it's the cookies. I love my Franco Sarto slingback. It never falls down. I feel so secure. I love the memory foam. And yeah, you do have 30 days to love it or return it or free exchange it for another color or size. I highly recommend you trying the Franco Sarto slingback.
Well, that's what's great too, is that it has eco-conscious lining in the back, so you know that the actual slingback is not going to slip off. Plus the goring is made, the elasticity is made so that it's fit for you. But what I love about this, Jane, is that you can wear it with trousers, you could wear it with opaque stockings like I'm doing, you could wear it with thicker socks if you'd like, so it's for different seasons as well. The play that you get with this is that you can wear it with many different outfits. Dress it up like I'm doing, dress it more casually if you'd like. I mean, it's New Year's Eve, so we're all dressed up right now. But I love the camel print, the animal print, because we know that's always going to be in fashion. It's a great statement, but you can wear it with all black and it'll definitely make your outfit look great.
Absolutely. And also the coolest heel ever. These architectural heels are like something that you would see in a shoe museum, which there is one in Toronto, Canada. So you can, have you ever been to the Bata Shoe Museum in Canada?
I have not.
Oh, you have to go. It's in Toronto. It's amazing. There was like, they usually have almost like a show for great designers, so they had one there when I was there, but it takes you through the history of shoes. It's fascinating. It's the coolest thing ever. And even all these little like how people depicted shoemaking through the back since the ancient Greeks.
Yes.
Fascinating. But
wow.
that architectural heel is what should be in a shoe museum because it is just so darn cool. And I mean, having had Franco Sarto here sketching live on QVC
yes.
in the past years was such an honor. But I always go back to the fact that since he was a teenager, he has been making shoes.
Yes.
And that is still to this day what he does, makes beautiful shoes.
That is really who we are as a brand. We are all about the art of shoemaking. And of course, our creative director right now, Giannetta, really wants to bring in inherent Italian influence. So all of this that you see is because of his travels in Italy. And what he wants to do is bring not just the by design, but also with the comfort and the fit. So as you can see, it's not slacking off the Jackie.
No, she was dancing.
Yeah.
She was dancing.
And when these shoes, these slingbacks, they're flats, as we know. They're a little less than an inch for the heel height. They're made for walking. They're made for comfort, but they're also made for fashion. So we're a brand, it's not just known as a fashion brand, but we also want to be known as someone that gives you comfort and quality. Shoes that will last.
Which is
your
rare.
investment.
I think there's usually a question, right? If you're going out to dinner or going to a wedding or going to a place of worship and you maybe, you know, like New Year's Eve, you were thinking about what shoes we're going to wear tonight. It's like, do I want to be comfortable or do I want to be fashionable, right?
Right.
And that usually is, you got to go one way or another. Find Franco Sarto on QVC.com. Enjoy this beautiful shoe now with us live in these two beautiful colors because now you don't have to sacrifice. You get the fashion.
You get both.
And you get the comfort all in one. So you've just done my heart good. I cannot say how much I love you in my jacket.